1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8.
Hello everybody, my name is Banana Cream Pie and welcome back to Mad Father. So, speaking of Mad Father, I watched my video that was uploaded and, man, didn't like it. I'm not sure why, I just really didn't like it. Mainly because the reason, God dude, I just sounded so terrible and I was so tired. Today though I feel great, just had some Hot Pockets. And I'm ready to go. Anyways, what was the last thing that we had to do? What did we add? A lamp, that's right. Yeah. So now I'm guessing we can go down here. I'm gonna say that we can. Yeah. Let's go. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh. What the heck was that? A hole in the wall. Oh, Snowball, dude. I'll make Snowball go in there. Alright. I'm gonna laugh when he dies, dude. Oh snap, you play a Snowball? That's lit. What's that? Lighter oil. What is that? What is that? What is that? Is that all I really needed? I can't like open up the door or anything? It's like right around here too. Alright, well I guess we're going out. Oh. See you later, Snowball. It's locked. Well, I got some lighter. Fill the lighter. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Use the. Oh. Okay. You know? Huh? Oh yeah. Speaking of this game, right? I just found out yesterday. Yeah, I know this is pretty dumb. I don't know why I didn't figure this out earlier, but I just found out that there's a free version. There's a paid version. The version that I'm playing right now is the paid version, and like there's a difference between the paid version and the free version. The free version, I guess, in a sense, is like it's more HD, and the storyline and stuff. Well, not the storyline, but like the artwork, the characters, and a lot of the action and stuff is like slightly different. Like not too much, but you can notice it. And also, the free version was also what happened here. The free version was also made after this game, so it kind of makes sense. So a lot of it's like more HD and stuff. Which is like, I don't know, like, I like, oh, I forgot that we're out here. I like original, even if I did have to pay for this. I'm okay with it. Where do we go? Oh, it's Snappy Streams, that's right, we can try and burn that guy, can't we? I forgot where he was, though. No. Yeah? No. No, he wasn't in there. Let's try... Nah, dude, I don't even remember where he was, actually. Now that I think about it. Chill with that. What if... Oh, yeah, okay, here it is. Burn him. Yeah. But how? Use... Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Ah, bitch. That is very light, bright. Jeez. Doesn't even look like it'd be that big of a fire, my gosh. Can I not go back in? Nice. Adios, biatch. What is that, fire? Oh, it's a crow. Alright, cool. Taxidermy room. Ooh, I don't like this room. Famous shield for stranger. Ooh, I really don't like that. Oh! That was great. Oh. What's that? Eyeball bottle. Why do I need that? Well, I gotta wooden bucket also. Alright, cool. Laboratory. Oh, dude, I really don't want to go in here. Oh, it's Maria. Oh, hey. You're wounded. Ah, but I will be fine. Forget me. Escape somewhere safe. It is dangerous here. Where's father? I heard him scream from my room. Ah, I must save the doctor. Don't look like you can do that, Maria Pooh. You can't go on like that. But, Maria, what happened to father? The doctor is further in. His wife. Our ma'am. His wife. My ma'am. What do you mean, Maria? Maria. Don't leave us out. She passed out. Oh, hello. You again. At any rate, it sounded like your father has gone on ahead, deeper into the underground maze. What did Maria see? Man passed away, right? What's going on? Tell him of the curse. You'll only be able to confirm suspicion by pressing on, won't you? That is a freaking terrible door, dude. What a weird guy. Weird indeed. Dude, this is freaking weird. I don't like this place. Oh, alright, cool. Guess we just go through then. Oh, hello. My father? Oh. Oh, hey, ma'am. How's it going? Got a little blood on her titties. Ma'am, is that you? Oh. See you later. No way, was that really mom? No way, Mr. Sucre, that was mom. So even ma'am must be the curse, right? Haven't you noticed? Who's that? Oh, dude, it's come out of nowhere. This tragedy is brought about by the power of a woman's curse, the malice for your father. The malice turned to a curse seeking out your father's death. That wouldn't be, so you do realize, yes, your mother. That can't be right. How do you think that? Why do you think that? Because ma'am loved father, she understood his work, and he loved her in return. Wasn't ma'am happy? Not really. Couldn't believe she has a grudge against father. But maybe mom didn't like father and Maria. I didn't want it to be true, but... So go find the truth. No, I wanted to pick up whatever that was to the left. Does mom hate father? That can't be right. She promised. Mom can't have forgotten her promise. Did I go back? I want to go pick up whatever that thing is. Oh yeah, I can. What was that? Ooh, I don't like this place. Where is body? Not sure, fam. Can we like pick him up, or no? We don't do anything with him. All right. Oh. Oh, here's his body. Oh, snap. Yeah. What if I bring you to it? Oh yeah. Cool. I can bring you to it. Yeah. Get your body. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Found it. He's gonna be cool now since I let him find his body. Thanks, Mrs. Oh, nice. Oh. What does he give us? A gem. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Cool. What the hell is that? Well, should probably go check it out. The old man mumbles to himself. Curse that youngster and everything, that woman. Oh, and so deceived as to not realize her true nature. That one's going to create a demon. She's even crazier than the doctor. Well, whatever, what should I care, I suppose. Alright. Oh, what's behind there? Something shining in the barrel. Can I not grab it? Why can't I just go down and grab it, dude? Alright, well, where are we going now? Oh, it's over here. Can't go over there, just kidding. Whoa, this place looks lit. Ooh. Is that a door? Yeah. Oh. Oh, this is the place that Snowball was in. Heck yeah. Lock the door. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, see? Nice. Well, we got the ladder piece now. One barricade blocks the way. Well, I guess we'll just go back up in the attic. Alright, I'm guessing that's where it wants us to go. Oh, where's the dog? Where's Mr. Crow, boy? I'd like to save. Hey guys, how's it going? So... Where's... Oh, yeah, it's over here. Oh, there you are. Alright. Oh, what did I just do? Didn't mean to do that. My bad. Snowball back in our room, dude? Dude, he's gone. Oh, he is. Snowball's relaxing. Okay. That's cool. So, let's place that. Oh, yeah. Ladder. Nice. Ooh, I like that sound. I don't know why. Like shining the bro. Why can't I grab any of it? Oh, oh. Please tell me I didn't just mess up. I think I just messed up. Oh, dude, please tell me I didn't just mess up. Please tell me I didn't just mess up. Come on now. How do I do this? How do I think I just jacked up. What? Dude, how am I supposed to do this now? What? I can't even press enter on it anymore. What the hell? What do I do now? Well, thank God I just saved right there. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to close my game and reopen it. Or load up the other save. Yeah, cause, oh wait, or what if I just walk out? Oh, yeah. Cool. Alright, cool. Am I supposed to move it over there? Hold on, let me just walk out and then restart it. I really don't know how to do this, dude. Freaking puzzles. So, something's shining in the barrel. Yeah, so I'm supposed to push it all the way back there. What, dude? I'm so confused. What is happening right now? Okay, let's try one more time. So confused, dude. Aren't we supposed to get up on there or no? I really don't know. Dude, one more time. I need to figure this out. What if it goes up here? No. Dude, don't do this to me. How am I supposed to figure this out? I swear that's probably like somewhere I'm supposed to go and I'm just getting yelled at by you guys. How does one do this? Swear you gotta go over there, don't you? And just hop on up. I really don't want to board you guys. Well, let's try. Let's see. What was in here again? Oh yeah. Let's just check around first. So I want to know. Hey, Crow. Really not sure what to do. No. I can't. Why don't it let me on that box? I don't like this bathroom. Ugh. Nasty. Do these guys ever do anything? I don't think they do. No? I remember that dog came over to here, right? Or is she just going over the turn? Stop that. See you later. Let's try going back over here. There's a laboratory. Just go over here. Just brings up. Remove it all. Seems like us. Bet you have to do something here. Creepy, almost beautiful. It's like it start moving. Moving no longer. They're sleeping. Yeah, that's cool. Sure. Something's shining in that barrel also. What am I supposed to do, dude? Can't I just get like an axe for that or something? I mean, we don't have one, but I can go over here now. It's completely devoured. That was it? Couldn't do anything? Alright. Why is this all jacked up? Yeah, sure. Alright, let me try going back to the attic. Because I don't want to miss anything. But I also don't want to look like a dumbass. So, what if I... It'd be dangerous to push it down the ladder. Will it now? Oh, snap. Was that? Please tell me I wasn't supposed to do that the whole time. What is it? A freaking mini chainsaw, dude? Press the special key to equip the chainsaw. It can normally be equipped in the basement. It can normally only be equipped in the basement. When equipped, press the confirm key to make Aya swing the chainsaw down. Certain objects, barrels, empty crates can be destroyed this way. It cannot be used to attack enemies. Be aware that you can't open the menu or check objects with the chainsaw out. Oh, okay. Cool. I remember Father scolded me for playing this once. Alright. I'm down with the mini chainsaw, dude. What? Ah yeah, what are you doing swinging that thing around? Well, it's cool. Sorry. My bad. This is no toy, it's a very dangerous tool. Understand? Never play with anything like this again. Sorry, Farther. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought I put this away that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this, Aya? Sorry. Sorry, Father. What? Okay, cool. Oh, now we can... Is it darker in here all of a sudden, or am I just tripping? Snap. Nice. There's just a gem in there, dude? That's so nasty. So I guess now we can go... I saw you. I saw you. Let's save. So I don't lose that. What? Feels like something grabbed my leg. Oh, snap! What? I'm going to get dragged away. Oh, God. It's one of these again. Oh, snap. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, dang it. Ooh. Dude, I'm a master at that now. Come at me. I mean, not really, because I don't want to die. So, oh, can we destroy, like, any barrels, or is it only the barrels that are kind of like... Oh, let me see. It can normally only be equipped in the basement. Isn't that... Yeah, this is the basement. Oh, nice. Can I destroy these? No. Is you still passed out? Yeah. Alright, then I guess there's nothing there for us to see. So, oh, now I can destroy that box by that weird old guy, dude. Yeah, hey, what's up, fam? Nice. What was in there? Again, just a gem. Oh, can I destroy... Yeah, can I destroy this over here? Nice. Oh, I don't like this place. Oh, it's a crow, though. I'm okay with that. But I don't really like this place in general. Alright, let's check out... Won't open. What the heck is that? Door's firmly shut. That looks like a demon, dude. I'm not okay with that. What the heck? It's locked from the inside. How do I... Can't see. That man took away my eyes. Oh, what if I slide her the... Looking for eyes? Maybe... Yeah. I have some eyes here. Are these yours? I don't think she can hear me. What if I just... Throw them at her? Can I just the girl somehow? Not sure. How do I do this? Okay, so what's over there? Oh, dude, that place looks terrible. That man took away my eyes. What do I... Key item. Pendant, no. Alright, I guess we'll just go back. Oh, what, in here? How would we give her the eyes? Now that I think about it, I don't even freaking know. Wait. What? That's not part of the basement? I guess not, but... Oh, jeez! Ah! Why that scared me so bad? Oh, hello. Welcome home, lady. Oh. Welcome home, lady. Hey, your arm fell off. Alright, cool. See you later. Oh, they're not... What? I'm just seeing if there's any entrances over here. The heck was that? Let's try going over here. Archives. Is there anything that we can do? Oh, can we open this door now? No, still can't. Alright. I guess we'll save on him. Sure. Changing room. Can I do anything in here? I don't think so. See you later, spider. So I can see in here now, but like, where am I supposed to go? Let's try the doll room. What? Oh, there we go. Decorative doll. So do you feel it barely seems like a doll? Dolls have a creepy smile. Okay, not this way. Alright. What if we go over here? Oh! My goodness. Chill with that. Reception room. Thought I heard a voice from there. I really don't know. Oh, can I fill up the water bucket? Oh, yeah. Got some water. Oh, what? Where did I bring it over? What? Oh, dude, I have an idea. Yeah. I go through that door. Cool, nice. Don't even worry about it. Yeah, go in here. Yeah. Put out the fire? Yeah. Nice. Progress. Looks like you can go in the fireplace. Yeah, I'm down. Oh, what is this? You hear a girl weeping in the hole. Oh, yes! This hole goes that place underground. Give her the eyes. This goes down into her room. I could give her these eyeballs. You hear a girl weeping from the hole. Oh, okay. Eyeball bottle. Yeah. This crying stopped. Alright, I guess we'll go back. What was that? Where was she, actually? Cafeteria, I'm guessing? Oh, hey, where'd the other girl go? Welcome home, lady. Well, thank you very much. Where'd the other girl go? Well, see you later. Let's see here. No, this isn't the way, but I can't go this way, can I? Yeah. And then in here. And then in here. It's locked from the inside. I found my eyes. No, I found them. Oh, hello. Hey. I can see. That, how would your eye socket even still be connected? Thank you. No problemo. Oh, snap. What is that? A gem. Nice. What's that? Alright, cool. Oh, snap-a-snoops. You either getting progress, boys. Alright, can I equip the chainsaw? Oh, I can. Well, I guess I really don't need it right now. Alright, I really didn't want to record as long as last episode, because last episode was just way too long, and I'm not even gonna lie, kind of got slightly boring at my own video. So, I'm gonna stop it here, guys. Next episode, we will go into that room, though, because, I'm excited. I like this game. But anyways, tune in for more. This is Banana King Pie, and I'll see you guys later.